This is the update made to WPBakery Page Builder for WordPress, released on December 6, 2023. WPBakery Page Builder for WordPress. Changelog. WPBakery Page Builder for WordPress. Version 7.3. Changelog. The December 6, 2023 update to the WPBakery Page Builder plugin includes 3 new features and improvements. Introduction dialog box appears. This dialog is displayed to first-time users who install or update the plugin. Includes information about new features and improvements in the current version. Updated FAQ section structure and links. The FAQ section of the WPBakery website has been updated to reflect changes to the knowledge base. This includes reorganizing questions and answers, as well as updating links to relevant knowledge base articles. Improved license activation process. The plugin license activation process has been improved to make it simpler and more efficient. Users can now activate their license directly from the plugin settings page. Detailed explanation of updated and added features. Introduction dialog box. The intro dialog is a new feature shown to first-time users who install or update the WPBakery Page Builder plugin. The dialog box includes information about new features and improvements in the current version. The information displayed in the dialog box includes a brief description of new features and improvements, links to relevant documentation and tutorials. The dialog is designed to help users learn about the plugin's new features and improvements, allowing them to get the most out of them. Updated FAQ section structure and links. The FAQ section of the WPBakery website has been updated to reflect changes to the knowledge base. This includes reorganizing questions and answers, as well as updating links to relevant knowledge base articles. Updating the structure of the FAQ section makes it easier to find the information you are looking for. Updating links to relevant knowledge base articles ensures that users have access to the most up-to-date information. Improved license activation process. The WPBakery Page Builder plugin license activation process has been improved to make it simpler and more efficient. Users can now activate their license directly from the plugin settings page. Before the update, users had to activate their license on the WPBakery website. This process was a bit complex and could take some time. The new license activation process is much simpler. Users only need to enter their username and license password on the plugin settings page. This improvement makes it easier for users to activate their license and start using the plugin. Conclusion. This update of the WPBakery Page Builder plugin includes 3 new features and improvements that make the plugin easier to use and more powerful. The Getting Started dialog provides information about new features and enhancements. Updating the structure and links of the FAQ section improves the usability of the documentation, and improving the license activation process makes it easier to use. Easier for users to start using the plugin. This is the changelog of WPBakery Page Builder for WordPress. Version 7.3. Join our group and channel on Telegram. In the description of this video you have the links. These are our recommended videos today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.